In today's video, I will be teaching you on how to make this. So sit back and let's go. The first thing you will do is import a map in CapCut. Then after that, we will add a text to it. To do this, just tap text and add text. Then type many dashes to cover up the distance in the map. After that, go to Styles and then look for Curve below. Now adjust the curve to align with your traveling distance in the map. Now that it is aligned, we will add an animation to the dash line. To do that, we will simply go to the animation option. Then for in animation, look for type 1 animation. You can adjust the duration of the animation depending on your preference. After that, we will go to the sticker option and we will search for a car sticker. You can also import your own sticker or picture of a car. Just make sure it has no background. After adding a car, we will align it at the beginning of the dash line animation. And then we will rotate it facing the direction of the animation. Just simply go to the basic option below and tap on Rotate. After that, we will now add a keyframe to the car. Then move the video to where the line passes the car. Then align the car alongside the line. This will automatically add a keyframe to the car. For it to be easy for you, you can zoom into your timeline. Now repeat the process until you finish the line animation. Now for the final part, go to the beginning keyframe and add a linear graph in the middle of each keyframe. After that, export the video, and here's the result.